everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Emeline. So today I will show you how I boil the egg using the saladmaster cookware. So ito na. I'm gonna use the 1/4 saucepan of saladmaster. Put the medium heat and cover the lid. So the good thing, if you have saladmaster, all you need to do is the nutrition protector of saladmaster or the before bulb. Once it click, you have to lower the heat into low and time 8 to 12 minutes. You have hard-boiled egg without using water, only in saladmaster. Guys, for watching my video today. Hope you like it. Please subscribe, like, and share, and don't forget to put a comment. And yeah, see you. Thank you so much.